Delhi battles dengue year after year, and yet things only seem to become worse. As the headlines cease to shock and the dead become just yet another statistic, consider the case of this family. Dinesh Kumar experienced what no parent should ever have to, the death of a child, when his son Ankit died of dengue 5 years ago. Imagine his nightmare then when his daughter, Menaka, contracted the virus as well. In 5 years, you'd think India's capital city would have found a way of treating his daughter for a disease where there is just a 1% risk of fatal complications. But no, Dinesh Kumar lost his daughter as well.
Dinesh Kumar lost both his children to dengue, one in 2010, son Ankit, and daughter Menaka last month. Both died even as the family ran from one hospital to another.
मैं पहले हॉस्पिटल गया वहाँ पर, तो वहाँ पे ले तो लिया, फिर उन्होंने कहा ठीक है, फिर दूसरे हॉस्पिटल उन्होंने रेफ़र करा, फिर वहाँ पे मना कर दिया होली फैमिली वालों ने। तो बस उन्होंने 1-2 घंटा वेट कराया, फिर उन्होंने फिर लिया जब तक बहुत देर हो चुकी थी।
Menaka was taken to Sanjeevani Hospital on 16th August. The doctors there admitted the 11-year-old as she was running high fever. When her condition worsened, they asked the family to shift her elsewhere. They went to Holy Child, which first said it had no beds. Later, they admitted she was too critical. She died within 2 days. Menaka's 11-year-old brother died 5 years ago. He was first admitted to Madan Mohan Hospital and then to the emergency at Safdarjung, where he had to wait for hours to get assistance.
मैडम जी, अब क्या करें, हमारे दोनों बच्चे तो चले गए, अब हम तो बिल्कुल बेसहारा हो गए। एमसीडी और डॉक्टरों की लापरवाही है, एमसीडी की लापरवाही है। इनकी एरिया को देखना चाहिए। जब इनको सरकार पैसा दे रही है तो उसका गलत फ़ायदा क्यों उठाते हैं ये? कोई नहीं मैडम, कोई नहीं है। आज तक पूरी गली में पूछ लीजिए, जिससे भी अभी तक कोई देखने तक नहीं आया। नहीं, डॉक्टरों के हाथ पैर जुड़वाए कि ये ठीक कर दो इसे, किसी भी हालत में मेरा घर तक बिक जाए मुझे मंजूर है, मगर इसको ठीक कर दो, मगर कोई भी मेरा साथ नहीं दिया।
2 बच्चे मेरे मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकती है। मेरे अंदर से मैं अपने हाथ से पाली हूँ, माँ भी नहीं पाली। वही स्कूल में मेरे सारे बच्चे पढ़ के आ रहे हैं, वही स्कूल में वो बीमार भई दो।
Outside on the dirty streets of Madanpur Khadar in South Delhi, children are playing, sitting around filth and dirty water, unaware that the scare of dengue looms large. This colony was built in 2002 as a JJ colony, but it is a picture of neglect.
ये कह रहे हैं जी, नेता लोग कहते वोट दो, हमारा वोट दे देते हैं लोग, कहते हैं ना, हैं? एक बार वोट लेने के बाद दोबारा शकल नहीं दिखाते हैं लोग।
There are two things that are clearly emerging from the stories that we've been reporting on dengue. One, of course, is that the hospitals completely lack in social responsibility. The other, of course, the MCD turning away from their responsibility of cleaning areas which are prone to being dengue infested. What will it take for all of us to really get up and take note of what is happening? With camera person Raju Punya, Bhairavi Singh, NDTV.